Our goal is to make 1,000 paper cranes. Starting with a completely square piece of colored paper. We fold the paper in half horizontally and crease, either with your fingernail or a flat surface like a marker. Open that up, turn to the other side, and fold again. When you open this fold, that should create 4 different squares on your piece of paper. Make sure to crease every single time. And pause the video if you need to. Now, fold corner to corner diagonally. You will do this in both directions. When you open it up, it will look like a square pizza with all of its slices. Now fold again in a triangle and crisp that fold and place it on the table so that the fold is pressing upward. Put your finger down in the middle, which pushes the sides up and helps you connect the 2 corners together. This might take a couple times until you have 2 little boats on either side. I use a pencil to help sturdy it. Watch me do this again. I fold it crisp on top like a mountain. I then press down in the middle and the 2 corners pop up a little bit. I can use a pencil and push it in the middle so that my creases stay very angular. Bring the corners together to get 2 boats on either side. Then press with your hands to create a square. Watch again, press together and it folds to create a square. And crease. Now one side of this square will have an open end that's a little springy. Make sure that open end is facing your stomach, your belly button. Open end to you. Look at the middle crease line. Now take a corner on top and fold it in like a paper airplane. Have it go right up to the line but not over the line and crease. Do the same thing to the other side. Do not have these overlap. It's better to have a little pathway in the middle. Then you will flip it over and do the same thing to the other side, which will give you something that looks like a kite. Look at the middle line and fold inward like a paper airplane. Remember to not have these pieces overlap. And crease. Now the top gives you a triangle. That triangle will need to be folded backwards and forwards many times. It will create a fold line that we need later on. So crease back and forth on that triangle. Now to open it up, pick a side and open. Take the bottom and open the first layer all the way up to that triangle crease. The whole piece should flatten into a large diamond. You might need to use a pencil or something to help prop the paper open. I will be doing this on the other side as well, so you can take another look. And remember, you can always pause the video. After creasing, I fold the paper over on the other side. And once again, we open the flaps, go to the very bottom, and fold the triangle up to that marking right there. Press, and it all will flatten into a diamond shape. You might need to press the corners with a pencil so that it flattens a little easier. And crisp it. Now we have a big diamond shape with 2 little legs. we need to make those legs skinnier. Go to the corner of the diamond, pick the first layer of paper, and fold it all into the center line, much like folding an airplane. And crisp. Do this to the other side. This should give you a V shape up top. Now turn over and do the same thing. Which will give you 2 legs again, just a little skinnier. Now you are going to fold the top wings down as far as they will fold down to reveal the triangle body. Do the same thing to the other side and fold down as far as the paper will let you. You want a lot of that triangle to be exposed. Crease those lines and fold the wings back up. All right, we are going to open up the cranes, turn it to the side, and pull it flat. There will be a little crease line right here, and that's where you fold upward. Then close the fold together. This creates the tail or head of our origami figure. Now to do it to the other side again. Turn to the side and open it flat. Fold up on the crease mark and then close it and fold it like a sandwich. You will need to tug out the tail and head of your crane. Now you might have one side that's a little wonkier than the other. Choose the wonkier side to fold down and be the crane's head, and the other will be the crane's tail. Then take hold of the wings and puff them out. Then do a little bend on both the right and left wing. The bottom of the crane will have 4 little legs and a little hole in the center. Sometimes you can blow into the little hole to puff out the body. And there you have a beautiful paper crane.